you trying to find all-natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels? Look no additional. Did you understand that all-natural solutions can be 10 times more reliable than cholesterol drugs? Rather than relying upon medicines with possible side effects, why not attempt these all-natural options? To begin with, include more fiber-rich foods right into your diet regimen, such as oats, fruits, and veggies. Fiber assists reduced cholesterol by binding to it and removing it from your body. Next, include healthy and balanced fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to your dishes. These foods can increase your HDL cholesterol degrees, the good kind that aids get rid of the negative cholesterol. Work out consistently to keep your heart healthy and balanced and cholesterol levels in check. Physical activity can additionally increase HDL cholesterol and lower LDL cholesterol. Finally, take into consideration integrating cholesterol-lowering supplements like garlic, red yeast rice, and fish oil into your regimen. These natural treatments have been proven to be effective without the harmful adverse effects of drugs. Take control of your cholesterol degrees normally and live a healthier life today.
Please be advised. Medical disclaimer. This content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or any other qualified health providers with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. So, did this video help you? Let me know in the comments below. We would love to hear how Natural Remedies has changed your life. And be sure to follow us for new videos like this in the near future. The one place for your health and healing needs, only on the Heal Network. Be healthy, heal greatly, and love your life.